Hello everyone. In this video, we will fix Excel not responding on Windows 11. The first step is to perform a quick repair. Click the Start button and open Settings. In the left panel, select Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Next to it, click the three dots and choose Modify. A window will open asking how you want to repair your Office programs. Select Quick Repair and then click Repair. This process usually fixes common issues without needing an internet connection. Wait for the repair to finish. When it's done, restart your computer and check if Excel opens normally. If Excel is still not responding, try an online repair. Go back to Settings, then Apps, and Installed Apps again. Find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click the three dots and select Modify. This time, choose Online Repair and click Repair. The online repair is more thorough but takes longer and requires an internet connection. Allow the process to complete and then restart your computer once more. After completing the repair, it's a good idea to check for any pending Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If any updates are available, install them and restart your computer again. Once you have performed these steps, Excel should start working normally on Windows 11. If the issue continues, you may need to back up your files and reinstall Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching.